Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to wire a 2 ohm sub to 1 ohm. So what you do is basically you have two speaker wires right like this, and you're going to wire in something called parallel. So basically what that means is you're just going to wire the positive to positive and negative to negative. And let me do that right now and get back to you. Alright guys, so you have the both wires hooked to the negative and positive, and you're going to connect it to the negative and positive right here. But you also have to have a jumper cable or a jumper wire to go to your box with your subwoofer, and then that connects to your amplifier. So what you do is you just twist them together and put them in the positive and negative, and let me do that real quick to show you. So as you can see, the negative is to the negative and the positive is into the positive, and I twisted both the wires together. So now this wire would go to your box, and then you plug in to your amplifier, and then that's how you connect a single 2 ohm subwoofer to 1 ohm. If you like this video and want to see another video like this, like, comment, subscribe. If you want to see like a 4 ohm version, leave it in the comments. I'll make it. Alright, peace.
My own, I've been on my own. But the devil trying to hit my phone, but nobody else.